Good morning to all of our viewers, subscribers, and followers. This is Dr. Shiba Dilla from the Bandasha Foundation, and I'm also known as Ronlin, as a counselor, motivational speaker, and special guide. I'm here to warmly request you all to listen to the topic very carefully, which I'm about to speak. For this topic has been wrongly interpreted and misunderstood by many across the world. So, this topic is on the cosmic laws of duality and equilibrium. Equilibrium is the state in which we maintain the two sides which are opposites of one another, and this is basically required to keep the harmony intact and to maintain the balance as well. When this balance goes out of order, then the harmony stops to occur and chaos may ensue. When we term of equilibrium, a lot of people come to think of it in terms of either human context or earth context. In terms of human context, equilibrium is maintained when the physical, emotional, and mental well-being of a human is in perfect harmony with one another. In terms of earth context, the equilibrium is maintained when the geographical aspect is in perfect harmony with other aspects like geophysical, metaphysical, and so on. But there's a far wider concept which has wrongly been understood. This is in terms of the cosmic context in which two sides need to be in perfect balance and they need to be on an equal level or footing. Once one side outweighs the other, that will turn everything into chaos and harmony won't be able to prevail. So everything in the cosmos actually has two sides to it. Like we say that there are two sides to one coin. When we talk of two opposites, we think of light and dark, day and night, pain and joy, life and death. But sometimes most of you might even think that wish there was only good in the world, or wish I didn't have to go through pain or suffering. But have you ever realized that if we won't go through any hardships, if we won't go through any challenges, if we won't feel any pain, how will we realize the importance or significance of true happiness? How will we be able to realize how true joy is, or what true joy really is? Suppose you meet only good people in the world, but there will come a time when you will actually feel like all people are good, like they are good in all levels and no one is like better or worse, better or maybe lower than another. The thing is you realize the value of a diamond only if you come across thousands of stones. Only then can you see the shine of a diamond. Same goes for the circumstances in which we meet both good and bad people. You only realize the true worth of a good person only if you have met hundreds of bad people in the world. This is how you come to differentiate between what is right or wrong, what is good or bad, what is good or evil. But there's another thing which a lot of people don't really understand. That is, one side cannot exist without the other. They have been made to coexist with one another for ages. And that is where a lot of people have actually gone wrong. Mostly thinking that wish there was no evil in the world, wish there was no maybe night, or sometimes they even wish for night to occur alone. but everything needs to coexist. Like we need to coexist with other creatures in the world. Similarly, your world also needs to coexist with all the other worlds in the cosmos. Your world is not the only one. There are far more worlds which are more advanced, and some may be slightly less advanced than you, but they are made to coexist. This is the total law of coexistence of the cosmos. And so, in order to maintain these three laws, for they are deeply interconnected to one another, the humans need to realize just how important it is to at least maintain that balance between both the two opposing sides and to keep the equilibrium in order. Thank you to everyone for listening to our session for today, and I hope it opened your eyes and also made you realize a lot of things. And have a good day and stay safe.